How to log in into Wandsworth Council Tax account. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Log In. Today in this tutorial video, I will show you guys how to log in into Wandsworth Council Tax account. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, open any browser you have on your device. For instance, I'll be using Safari application. Now on the search bar, search for Wandsworth Council Tax Login. As you can see, I have already searched for it. After searching, different websites and links like this will be appeared on your screen. Click on the second website that says Accounts. Once you click on it, you will be directed to this page. Under the My Account section here, you will see three different options: Login, Sign Up, Help and Guidance. Assuming you have already created an account, tap on Login option. Wait for a while and again click on Sign In option. Now finally, you need to enter your email address and password in order to log in into your account. And in case you have forgotten your password, tap on Forgotten Your Password option below the Sign In. So that's all. Enter all of your details and click on Sign In and you are good to go. In this very simple and easy way, you can log in into your account. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.